Bismillah, Rahman, Irrahim, questions and answers to the problems of life in Islam. How is a person who keeps his words high and tries to lower the words of others in the eyes of Islam? If he does this to prove his own greatness, then in the eyes of Islam, it is mentioned in the hadith, yes. It says that Allah is beautiful and loves beauty. It is arrogance not to accept the truth and to belittle people. If the sinner repents, the sin is forgiven or not. How is it to call him a sinner after repentance? Repentance is something that removes sin. Allah Almighty declared through His last prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, Kul ya ibadiyaya lazi asrafu ala anfusihim la taqnathu mir rahmatillahi inna Allaha yaghfiru zunuba jamia. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, you are not even named by the mercy of Allah. Surely Allah will forgive all sins. Hadiths of the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, Indeed, all Muslims will be destroyed. After repentance, no one will be a sinner. If someone reproaches someone for committing a sin after repentance, it is said in the hadith that he himself becomes involved in the same sin.